Hey everybody, Zach Warren, video 3 on our 2020 Heartland Wilderness 2500 RL. If you watched the last video, my hand's a little throbbing right now from punching that roof, but we're going to continue on with this. First thing, king size bed. How many travel trailers do you see out there that offer a king size bed? Normally only in a fifth wheel, high-end fifth wheels even, but you're getting a king size bed in this travel trailer. Now, with these as well, you do get the LED lights underneath, nice and bright. You get tons of storage in here, along with 2 big nightstands. Now, what does that mean for you? Lots of storage in here. If you have a CPAP machine or anything like that, you got a place to put it. Now, you also have all this room right here to walk. How many travel trailers do you know that you're that far from the wall and you're walking like this to get to your side of the bed? I'm a big guy. I can walk fine through here. Even if I wide step, I can do it. Now, coming out of here, we have this pocket door right here, which is going to slide close. Look at the size of this bathroom. I can sit and be comfortable. I am not hitting my knees. I am not crouching myself. I am nice and comfortable. This is a huge bathroom. Now, with this, we're going to get the shower with the nice built-in shelves and the nice surround in here. It's a beautiful surround. We have this nice little sink right here, along with our 2-shelf medicine cabinet. And if you look right here, we have our LP water heater and our electric water heater, so we can choose. Or we can turn both of them on and do a quick refresh. Now, coming out of here, we have another pocket door leading into our kitchen. And all the wilderness, you are going to get hard cut countertops. High-rise sink with the drop-down faucet. Cutting boards here for your covers. And stainless steel sink. You are going to get the LED lit Furrion 3-burner cooktop and the oven, as well as the microwave and the hood. Behind us, we're going to have that 10.7 Everchill electric battery powered fridge. Doesn't run off of propane going down the road, runs off your battery, a lot safer. And it has got a ton of room, 10.7 cubic feet. That is almost 3 cubic feet bigger than most RV fridges. Look at all the storage in here. Chops, sausages, burgers, steaks, whatever you want to put up here. Soda, milk, water. For me, pudding. Everybody knows me as the pudding guy. I'm going to put all my snack packs in here. Chocolate, vanilla, tapioca, butterscotch, whatever. I'm going to fill this thing with them. There's a ton of room for it. And it's a beautiful fridge with this nice lock. I mean, look at the stainless steel. We're going to have the U-shaped dinette with the sconce. All LED lighting. Another sleeping area. In all of our wildernesses. Central vacuum. AM, FM, CD, DVD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, USB, does everything. Inside, outside speakers. Nice area right here for the TV. Put yourself a swing mount on here. Swing it this way if you're eating, or swing it this way when you have these nice recliners right here. These theater seats, they are beautiful. Sit down, kick your feet up, and you are in luxury in here. And I've talked about it outside. This is convenience. You've got these. You've got electric everything. You come in here, electric slide, electric awning, electric tongue jack, electric stabilizer jacks. This is a high quality camper. The last thing we're going to touch on is I want my camera guy to point up to the ceiling. See this duct right here? Follow my hand. You have a second duct here. Now you're going to think, oh, that's just going to run down, Zach, but now look over here. This is an H-ducted camper, meaning it's got 2 ducts running down. More even, more powerful cooling. Right now, it's 85 degrees. We're in Illinois. Okay, it's probably about 75-80% humidity right now. I'm sweating. So how important is that going to be in Florida right now or Illinois when it's hot like this and you have this cooling power in here? Now, if you want to come see this unit for yourself and make an appointment with me, call Zach Warren, 815-933-2251, extension 735, or dial the main number and ask for Zach. Be happy to help you. This will not be here long. It's a very popular floor plan. And again, Zach Warren, Phillips RV, Bradley, Illinois, 815-933-2251, extension 735. And until next time, guys, we'll be seeing you.